Howdy, Gus here. Just finished building this beautiful, beautiful deck. Composite decking from Trex. Use the Camo Marksman Pro tool. Let me give you a little close-up on what it does. So down here where the joists are, down in there, there's 45-degree angle screw. One going this way, one going that way. And so you can tell where my joist is. Although, you know, from up here, you don't really see any of those. Got a 3/16 inch gap. It's built into the tool. So pretty much takes care of it for you. 16 feet from here to there. I just built a giant pier and beam frame, and I started on this side because on this side is highest, and so I just made sure I had about an inch clearance underneath. You see, I can get my foot under there. So, because I have water that comes from the dog's section of the backyard over here. When it rains, the water kind of floods down through here, and then it's going to go at an angle underneath the deck and out around the side yard. So, I want to make sure I had some clearance here, which I do. So, from that point, I just leveled everything in that direction and in that direction. And what we end up with is when you come out of the back side door, you have about a 6.5, maybe 7-inch step up onto our deck. Now when I got over to here, I realized to stay level, I'm pretty darn high. So what I did is the last foot I built a stair that came down and another stair that comes down to the ground, and then I took this stair as far as I could while still having clearance under it. Then once that base was done, I had ordered the I kind of built up my plan and figured out I needed 39 of these 16 footers to get this thing built, and it took about a week for that to show up on a truck, and we unloaded it, and a couple days ago I started installing it. A couple of hours every night for the last 3 nights, and then all day today, and now it is done. Just to give you a little perspective, I put in about 1,000 screws in the last few days. My hands are a little sore. So anyway, I'll show you some more footage of how this came to be. Last piece. Okay, so there it is, a mostly completed deck using composite Trex. Color was Coastal Bluff. I like it, looks cool. Anyway, I'm gonna fast forward through cleaning up my mess now.